Greetings, slackers. It's June 2nd, 2016, and I'm on a roll over here with another one. This is on West Central Tribune. 2 Minnesota men face criminal sexual conduct charges after responding to Craigslist ad by Gretchen Brown. And what it goes on to say here is Glenwood, when 35-year-old Starbucks man Joshua Lee Walker allegedly responded to a Craigslist ad in October posted by a 14-year-old girl, Abby, looking for company, he was a little suspicious. Quote, "So how do I know you're not just a setup to catch guys looking for underage girls?" he asked the girl, who was in reality a Polk County Sheriff's deputy who was posing as the child. Quote, how would I do that?" The deputy responded, according to court records. "Have you ever seen the show How to Catch a Predator?" Walker said. Walker is now facing 3 felony charges in Polk County District Court, including electronic solicitation of a minor child, third-degree attempted criminal sexual conduct, and engaging in electronic communication relating or describing sexual conduct with a child. According to criminal complaint on the charges, the two continued communicating, eventually texting and setting a time to meet near the Glenwood airport. When Walker drove inside a shed at the location, the deputy pulled up behind the truck and arrested Walker. After he was arrested, Walker allegedly admitted that he knew what he did was wrong, since he had seen the TV show To Catch a Predator. Walker was one of 2 men who responded to the Craigslist ad posted in a sting by the Polk County Sheriff's Office. "It's going to be a long week at school," the ad posted in the St. Cloud personal section of the website stated. Quote, "Teachers are piling on the work, parents are going Friday night and looking for a real man to hang with. Hit me up if interested." Nathaniel Lee Zempel of Fergus Falls is facing similar charges for his communication with the deputy after responding to the same ad. Walker made a court appearance at an omnibus hearing Tuesday. No further hearings have been set in this case. In a notice of defense filed in March, Walker's attorney stated that Walker will assert 2 defenses at the yet-to-be-scheduled trial: legal impossibility and entrapment, which involves government inducement of the crime, and the defendant's lack of predisposition to engage in the criminal conduct, according to the U.S. Department of Justice. You know, this guy is kind of dumb. Well, not kinda. He is dumb. How can you have knowledge of To Catch a Predator and exchange communication asking about such, and then still walk right into the setup? You know, I don't know what older men's fantasies are about young underage girls. Maybe it's because they're young, innocent, and naive, possibly. But you have all these men wanting to meet up with women under the legal age of consent, which would be, 18 in most states? And they get busted all the time. And why is that? I'll tell you why that is. Quite simply, they're thinking with their dick, okay? They're not thinking with the head that's on their shoulders. I mean, it would be just as easy to go out and meet a woman who's your actual age rather than someone who's underage. And knowing that police are setting up stings and so forth like that, if you have knowledge of it, you would know that, hey, cut out that activity that could end up having you apprehended, okay? On other videos that have surrounded incidents such as these, I have expressed that I think it's wrong for law enforcement to set up and conduct stings, and it is also wrong to charge someone with an offense if there was no real actual 14-year-old girl that was in the mix. But this is the way the law is set up. Some of you guys out there need to know this so you can protect yourself and avoid, trouble and consequences. But at the same time, quit watching that damn porn that's, selling you all this barely legal underage crap, and go find you a woman who's, legal, okay? Not barely legal, but legal, or around your same age. I guarantee you can have the same amount of fun, and she can pretend to be, a little girl, whatever. You can do the whole role-playing fantasy session, but quit looking for the underage girls. That's just something I'm going to throw out there. Anyway, that's going to do it for this article. I'll catch you in the next one.